Hello and welcome to Car Dealer Live. In this special series of videos, we're going to be announcing the winners of the Car Dealer Power Awards 2022. Now, in this video, it gives me great pleasure to reveal the winner of the Cleaning Products of the Year category, and it's Autoglym. Joining me now is the firm's marketing manager, Mark Docherty. Hello, Mark.
Hi there.
Huge congratulations, Mark. I mean, we've spoken many times in the past, but what does it mean picking up an award like this?
It's absolutely brilliant. It's really great for us in Autoglym to win any award. But especially, as you say, I'm fortunate to have this a few times before. It doesn't get any less special. It's one we really look forward to the shortlist for, and to find out we've won again is a real pleasure.
Yeah, well, as we both intimated there, you are a multiple winner, and it's a bit of a difficult question, but I mean, what do you think it is that keeps impressing dealers year after year?
I think just giving them the products and services that they need to do their job. I mean, the things we use in our own personal life, we tend to gravitate to the things that make our lives easier, that are a pleasure to use, and offer outstanding value for money. And I think that's something that we bake into all of our products, right from the time they're formulated through to the end product that dealers use. So I think that those features are present in the products, the speed and ease of use, the outstanding results, and the outstanding value for money as well. And that's even more important now than ever. So it seems that dealers have picked up on those, and they voted us accordingly. So thank you so much to everyone that voted.
And also, it's worth mentioning, you've got a huge product range, and there's something for everybody, really, isn't there? And there's different products which can work differently for different dealers.
Yeah, absolutely. Having a broad range and listening to your customers and finding out what their challenges are and ensuring you've got a product to help them meet that challenge is super important. And you know, Autoglym's been around for over 50 years now, so we've listened to a lot of customers, and therefore we've developed a lot of products to help them. But everything's earned its place, and our franchise network, who do all of our deliveries out to car dealers, are the real experts in helping delve down to what it is a dealer needs to do with their stock, whether it be working on a PX rec that they're hoping to turn a modest profit on, or do that very important PDI and have that first handover ready. And we've got something there for everyone.
Yeah, I mean, it must mean a huge amount to the team, and the team is huge as well, isn't it? I mean, you've got the product developers, haven't you? The people, you know, coming up with the products, and also the guys on the ground talking to the dealers.
Yeah, we're one of those firms that does absolutely everything in-house. So from the initial idea of a product, it stays within Autoglym through its formulation in the labs, as you say, through sales and marketing, through operations who make it all happen, and to our distribution center which get it out the door. And then it goes into the hands of our franchise network. So these are van-based sales specialists who travel around. And again, that's another thing which makes dealers' lives easier. When the shop comes to you, you just quickly nip out the back door, make your purchase, the product's with you. I mean, you know, what could be faster than that? So yeah, it's really important to absolutely be everybody, and I can't wait to tell everyone the good news.
Well, it's 12 months since we last spoke, because of course you won this category last year as well. And how have the last 12 months been? I mean, if you've been busy sort of introducing new products or acquiring new dealers, I mean, how's it been?
Yeah, it's been another great 12 months at Autoglym. Obviously, we're not immune to global economics and the things that are going on that affect all of us. But it's you know, keeping that front of mind, and again, knowing that that's important to our customers. And any new products that we introduce or any new services we offer, you know, they have to respond to the needs of customers, you know, and the world, and what it's going to be like for the next few years going forward. So yeah, new product development is always really important at Autoglym. We always like to bring a range of products out each year, and it won't be too long before next year's products are starting to break ground, and we can't wait to show everybody.
Well, hopefully they're just as impressive as the products you currently offer, and hopefully we're going to be talking again in 12 months' time, but let's see. But for now, Mark, huge congratulations from us again here at Car Dealer Magazine.
Thank you so much, James, and thank you for putting the awards on.
Well, that's it for this special Car Dealer Live video. To find out the rest of the award winners in this year's awards, click the Car Dealer Power tab at the top of our website. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.